Hello students, hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the previous year question paper of class 10th ICSE board computer application. Okay, in this video I will discuss the section B. As you know, there are two sections in the question paper. In this video I am going to discuss section B, that is of 60 marks. There will be 6 programs, and out of that 6 programs you need to attempt only 4. Okay, but here in this video I will discuss all 6 programs. Okay, but in examination, you supposed to attempt only 4. Okay, and section 1, I have already uploaded the video for the section A, that is of 40 marks compulsory questions. So that I have already uploaded. Okay, please watch that. You can watch that there. And here I'm going to discuss the second part of the question paper, that is section B. That is there. How many? 6 programs are there, and out of 6 you need to do only 4. Here I am going to discuss all 6. So here the question number 1. See, this section B is of 60 marks. Answer any 4 questions from this section. Okay, and the things are given. So coming to here, question number 3. This first question of this programming section of section B will be the program of function, this class programming, which you say class programming. This program will be there, and this program is very easy, it's very easy program. So I'm going to solve this step by step. Listen carefully. One video regarding such programs I have already uploaded. You can watch that also. In that, there I have explained thoroughly. Here also I will try to explain in brief, and I will put the link of that video in which I have discussed one more program. Already I have discussed such programs through my videos. Okay, so I will put the link of that. Before that, just here we are going to solve this question. See, what is class name here? The class name is student. Okay, the name of the class is what? Student. So design a class with the following specification. Here class name will be given, data members will be given. Okay, so we need to attempt them. So let's go. What is the class name? The class name is student. Okay, so here please, before starting programming, please check is there any function. Sorry, what happened? Please see. Check is there any function in which we need to take input. Yes, there is a function accept name, age and marks using the methods of scanner class. So here we have to import scanner class. Okay, so we start from there only. We'll import the scanner class. So first class name, before adding class name, check whether any function in which we need to take input. If it is there, you have to import the object of scanner class. So here I'm going to write. Okay, here I will write the solution, and I will upload the PDF also. Here I'm making the solution, and I will make the PDF of this solution, and this also I will put in the description. The link of this PDF I will put in the description. So you can download it and use it. Okay, for the further reference. So here the class name, before writing class name, we have to import java.util package. So java.util.scanner. Scanner class functions are used to take input. Okay, this I will be in lowercase. Then we'll go for the class name. Here, what is the class name? Class name is student. So here you will write class. The same thing, it is written in capital. The S is capital, the STUDENT, student. Then class opened. Okay, now we'll go through the data members. See, this class has 4 data members, I think. Name, for name of student, is MKS for marks obtained, stream for stream allocated. Okay, so here name is for what? Name of the student. Now here you have to recognize the type of that data members. Okay, So since name is here to store the name of a student, so it should be of string type. Age, for age of student, so it should be of int type. MKS, marks obtained, it should also be of int type. And a stream means science, computer science, commerce, many streams are here. So stream means it should be of string type. So here you have to recognize the type of data members. Okay. So let's begin. In previous question, till previous year means before 2023, I'm talking about 2022 papers. Till 2022, they used to give the data type also. This data member here we have to recognize. Now onwards, we have to recognize the type of data. Okay, but before this, they used to give the type also. Okay, so please, you have to put extra effort now. You have to recognize the type of data members also. So here the name is what? It should be of string type. So declare it string 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 str. Okay, so it's not str, it's a name. Okay, semicolon. Then this age variable should be of int type. So here I'm writing int age semicolon. Then second variable is there, MKS. It should be of marks obtained. It should also be of int type, MKS semicolon. Then stream should be of string type. So string stream string. So what we have done, we have written the class name. The class name was student. Okay, then we have declared the data members. These are the data members which we have declared. Okay, so please, if you are means we have declared the class name, we have written the class name, and we have declared all the data members. Okay, I hope the things are clear in this. Okay, so we have declared the class name, we have declared the data members. This we have done. I'm showing you. And here what you have to do, the data members names are given, but you have to recognize their types. Okay, you have to recognize their types. This effort you have to put here. So please read the description about the data members and try to recognize the type of that data member. Okay, now coming to the functions. After declaring data members, we have to proceed for the functions or methods. So here three methods are given, three functions are given: accept function, allocation function, and print function. Okay, and afterwards we have to define the main function also. So overall we have to define four functions. So we have defined class name, we have defined the data members. Now we are going to define the functions. So the first function is here, void accept. Void accept, it is for what? Accept name, age, and marks using methods of scanner class. Means here we have to take input, what? Name of student, age of students, student, and marks obtained. These three things we have to take input. Okay, so that we are going to do in this function. So here I'm going to write, listen, function name is accept, void accept. This function is here for input. So for input, what do we require? We create the object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner, then in bracket system dot in. Okay, then what to take input? Name of student, age of student, and marks obtained by student. These three things it is given. You can read the question. It is given in the question, accept name, age, and marks using the method of scanner class. These three things we have to take input. So that we are going to do. So we'll display the proper message for that. System dot out dot println enter name, comma, age, and marks. Simple message, you can add marks obtained by student, by the student. I'm solving in front of you just so that the things will be clear for you. Step by step I'm solving. Okay, semicolon. Okay, so these are what we have taken, we have displayed the message. Now we'll take the input. So for name of the student, which data member we have? Name. So here we'll write name equal to, same name equal to, since it is of string type, so we supposed to write sc dot next line. Okay, string type, so we have to use next line function. Now second thing is what? We have to take age. So for age, we have the data member age. The age equal to sc dot next int. Then we have next mks for marks obtained. It is also of int type. So here we'll write mks equal to sc dot next int, integer input. We are taking input, simple. Then function closed. Accept function opened, accept function closed. Okay, I hope the things are clear. Battery low, wait. So what we have done now, we have defined the class name. Okay, then we have declared the data members. And now we have defined the asset function. And you can see this function is very easy. No logical effort was there here. Only we need to take input. And you know how to take input very well. So you can see we have done these two things. Now I'm moving to the next function. Okay, moving to the next function. What is the next function now? Next function is void allocation. Here it is said to allocate the stream as per the following criteria. You know, in this question, in this programming question, the program will not be there will not be so difficult logic. The simple logic will be there. Maximum if else programming. Okay, so please, you can do it. Please, if you go through the question and if you read, you will feel that the program is very easy. Okay, now coming to this, allocate the stream as per the following criteria. Means if the marks is more than 300, science and computer will be given. This stream will be given. If it is more than 200 and less than 300, then commerce and computer will be given. And more than 75 and 200, arts and animation. And if we have less than 75, try again. So this criteria, simple if else program it is. Okay, so I'm going to solve this function. What is the name of the function? Void allocation. The name of the function is what? Void. The name is allocation. So I am going to solve this question, this function. Let's see. Here we go. Void allocation. Same name as given the question. Void allocation. Okay. Here. Then void allocation. If the MK means marks is greater than greater than or equal to 300, stream will be what? Computer science and computer. So here we'll write if MKS is greater than or equal to 300, then what should be the stream? Stream should be ST. For stream, we have a data member stream, STREAM. It is of string type equal to, what will be the stream? If mark is greater than or equal to 300, it is science and computer. Science and computer. Okay. So here we'll write science and computer. Okay, then else if second condition, if MKS is greater than or equal to 200 and less than 300, it's the same condition we will write in Java form. MKS is greater than or equal to 200 and MKS is less than 300. Okay. In this condition, what will be the stream? Stream will be what? Stream equal to, in double quotes you'll write what? Commerce and computer. Commerce and computer. Commerce and computer. Okay. Then again, else if more than 75 means MKS is greater than or equal to 75 and MKS is less than what? 200. The condition we are writing, what is given here, the condition we are writing in Java form. Simple. We are not putting any logical effort. Simply we are going through this and we are writing this into Java form. Okay. If it is, the stream is what? Arts and animation. So here we'll write stream equal to, in double quotes, arts and animation. Then at last, if it is less than 75, else, okay, else if, write all the conditions, don't leave else only here. If MKS is less than, okay, less than 75. If we have less than 75, it is given, the stream should be written. Store this also in the stream variable only, no problem, equal to double quotes. Here we'll write try again. Okay. Then function closed. This much only we need to do in this. Simple if else program it is. I hope Swaminara was up. Simple, no logical effort is here. Just what is given the question, we are copying, pasting in Java form, nothing else. So if any confusion you have, please you can ask through the comment section. Okay. So coming to the next function, read the question. Please read the question all the time. If you have getting any confusion, read the question and go through word by word what is given there. Follow that. Now coming to the next function, print. Here it is given display student name, age, MKS and stream allocated. Means here we have to print. Simply we have to use system.out.println to print student name, to print the age of the student and to print the stream allocated. Okay. So that I'm going to solve here. Void print P capital, function name small. Oh, sorry, print. These names are also in small letters. Small a will be here. And I think accept is already in small letter, allocation is also small letter. Now this function print. What is print? Display the student name. So we will display the name, student name, age, marks obtained, and stream allocated by using system.out.println with the proper messages. System.out.println. Println what? You will write name. Simply name, then plus variable for name is what? Name we have. Okay. Then we'll write for the age. So here write age, a proper message, age or age of a student to be Java, age, then age. Data member is there. Okay. Then we'll display what? Marks obtained. So proper message, marks obtained. Marks obtained, the variable for marks obtained is what? MKS. Then at last we'll display the stream allocated. Stream allocated. For stream allocated, the data member is what? Stream. Simple. Then function close. You can think fill. Both easy question. It's very easy question. Now next function, Now we have done this. So generally you have a function for input, one function for input, one function will be maximum of if-else programming, and one function to print the details, to print the value of data members, and main function. Only these things are common. All the time you will get in this pattern only these things only. Okay, and the programming is very easy. Out of 15 marks, sorry, out of 6 questions, this program is easiest program. Okay, so please try to learn it. It is not requiring more effort. So practice more question of such question. 2 more question for practice. Okay. Now done. Now we are going to define the main function. The main function public static void main string arg. Okay, main function. In main function, please remember this, learn it also. In main function, we create the object of the class. What's the class name here? The class name is what here? Sorry. The class name is student. Okay, the class name is what? Student. The name of the class is what? Student. So in main function, we create the object of the class. In main function, we create the object of the class. So class name is student, student, student. OB is the object equal to new student. In main function, we create the object of the class, and then by that object, we call the above functions. So we have to call the function ob.accept. Accept function is there. Then we'll call ob dot. Next function was allocation. Then next function is what? ob dot. The next function is print, and then all this much. Then main closed, class closed. This is the complete solution, this complete program solution of this. Okay. So here I'm telling you in main function, I'm reminding you again, in main function we create the object of the class. The class name was student. So learn how to create the object of the class. Create the object of the class. Then by that object OB, call the functions in sequence. This is to do in the main function. Okay. And below this, please don't forget to write the variable description. In each and every program, please don't forget to write the variable description and few comments somewhere. You know, the program is of 15 marks. Out of 15 marks, 3 marks for the documentation. Document means the program is of 12 marks and 3 marks are there for documentation only. Means documentation includes comments and variable description. So you don't forget, please. If you forget in all 4 programs, 12 marks, you will lose 12 marks. So don't forget to write the variable description in each and every program. It costs 3 marks. Okay. So please don't forget. So here you can write the variable description. I think you know variable description. And how to write the variable description, this I'm telling you if you know. Okay. Here we make 3 columns. The column 1 is for name of the variables. The variables which are we have used in the program, the name, then type of the variable, and then description. Okay, so here we have variable what? Name, same variable name. What is the type of the variable? The type of the variable was string. So here write the type, and then you write the description means for what purpose, what is the purpose of that variable in the program, why we have defined that variable in the program. That description you write. So here name is what? To store the name of student. Okay. Then second thing is what? After name, we have another age. The type of this variable is what? Int. And the purpose of this is what? To store the age of the student. To store the age of the student. Okay, then thirdly we have MKS. Type is what? Int type. This is of int type, and the purpose is what? To store the marks obtained. To store the marks obtained. Then string. String function is here. It is of this data. So this variable is here of string type. The type is what? A string, and here to store the string allocated. String allocated. Okay, so please don't forget to write this variable description not in this program only, in each and every program, the variables which we have used, their name, their type, and the purpose of that variable in the program. And few comments you can write somewhere, as here I am writing. Here I am writing the comment, creating object, then here you can write function to print details. You can write in function to print the details. 1, 2, 3 few comments you can write anywhere. Function to allocate stream, like this could be function to allocate stream, then function for input, so please don't forget to write few comments you can write, and variable description. Both together are called documentation, and there is 3 marks for documentation in each and every program. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next program, next question. The question number 4. Sorry, question number 4 is what? See, define a class to accept 10 characters from the user using bubble sort techniques. Arrange them in ascending order. Display the sorted array and original array. Okay, actually in topic array, there are programs of searching and sorting. There are 2 programs of searching, linear search and binary search, and there are 2 programs of sorting, that are bubble sort and selection sort. These 4 programs are very important in topic array. Okay, please learn it, prepare it. Either one, at least one program out of these 4 will come, sure will come in the examination. In this paper, they had given 2 programs. One program of bubble sort and one program of, further I will show you, linear search. So searching, sorting, both they had given. Okay, so at least out of 4 means linear search, binary search, these programs for the searching, and bubble sort and selection sort of the sorting. 4 programs are there, and out of 4 programs, one program, sure one program will come. So prepare all these 4 properly, okay, in different ways. Here it is said to define a class to accept 10 characters from a user, and it is said to arrange them, sort them in ascending order using bubble sort technique, and display the sorted array and original array. So this code program I am going to show you, and I have already uploaded the video for this bubble sort, selection sort, for everything. You can watch from there. I will put the link. Sure, I will put the link of that videos. And here I'm not going to explain in detail because the video will be too large. It will take time to explain bubble sort, linear search. So better you watch that video, the things will be clear. Here it is said to accept a character. So we have to declare an array of character type. Only that difference, and here one more extra thing is given there. They told to display the original array and sorted array, दोनों print करने को बोला है. That I am going to show you. This I have already written. Question number 4. Let me show you. Here, question number 4. Question 4. Sorry, 4. Okay. The class name I have taken bubble sort, and here the variable will be of char type. It should be of char type because it is said to accept char and the size should be 10. It is given the question, the size of 10 characters means 10. The size will be what? 10. And here he will write enter 10 characters. Instead of writing enter the elements, he will write enter 10 characters. 10 characters. Okay. Then here everything is same. Here instead of next int for integer input, since here we are going to take character input. So next dot okay, and then here we are taking input character. So sc dot next char at 0. Okay, only. Okay, after that we are printing the original array before sorting, before arranging them. We are printing the original array, and this is the code of bubble sort. Okay, same, and the rest will be everything will be same. Only instead of integer array, here we have to declare character array of size 10, and here instead of integer input, we are taking character input. Okay, and original string, original array we have printed. Then we are sorting in this code. Then we are printing the sorted array. Both we have printed. So this is the solution I am showing you. This the PDF of this solution I will upload. The link of PDF I will upload in the description part. You can download from there. And to learn searching, sorting, please watch my videos. That links also I will provide in this video description. Okay, so this is about question number 5. Now, moving to the next question, question number 6. Sorry, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, now one question of function overloading will be there. As I have already told, I have uploaded the videos for the function overloading functions, overloaded function also. So the program of function overloading will have 2 functions or 3 functions sometimes, and that 2 functions may have anything from your syllabus. They may have patterns, they may have series, they may have number programming, they may have the programming of string. Any two function, 3 function may contain any topic from your syllabus. Here you can see define a class to overload a function print as follows. Here in this first print function, they are given a pattern, and here they are given the number programming. Both are here. So anything from your syllabus, you may have any 2 options, 3 options from your syllabus: series, pattern, number programming, string programming, whatever. Okay, so let me remind you what is function overloading. Defining more than one function of same name in with different parameters list is called function overloading. Only this concept will be used here. See, the name of this function is what? Print. The name of this function is also print, but their parameters list, the parameters list means this function requiring no parameter. This function is requiring one parameter of integer type. Okay, so defining more than one function of same name with different parameters list is called function overloading. So what you have to do in the examination, you have to define only these 2 functions. No need to define main function and all. Only you have to follow the instruction which is given for these functions. Do that what is told to do, and then close the class. Only this much you have to do. So here this pattern to print the following format: 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. I have uploaded the videos for the pattern also. That also you can see. You can watch. Basic concept I have told, but this program I am going to explain here. Listen. In program of pattern, in pattern programming, we use nested loop. Okay, and nested loop means outer loop, inner loop will be there. So outer loop is repeated as per the number of lines, as per the number of rows in the pattern. You can see this pattern has 5 lines: 1 2 3 4 and 5 lines. Okay, so outer loop will be repeated 5 times, as either 1 to 5 or 5 to 1 as per the requirement. Okay, so I'm going to show the code of this pattern. Let's see. I will type live. Okay, see question number, it's a question. Question 5. Okay. Now you can take any class name here. But to go to the next page. Okay. Coming to the next page. Class name you can take anything. Here I am taking class overload. Okay. Then first function. First function you got void print. And in this function we have to print that pattern. Okay, so I'm going to, I will show you the code and I will explain it. Now see this code. Here you can see, as I told, the number of lines, as per the number of lines in this pattern has 5 lines, 5 rows. So outer loop is repeated as per the number of lines in the program. This program has how many? This program has 5 lines. So number of lines will be what? 5. So this outer loop will be repeated as per the number of lines, that is from 1 to 5. Okay. Then inner loop is here to print the value of each row. Okay. So you can see in each row what are we printing? We are printing in one row we are printing only 1 1 1, in another row we are printing 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4 like this. So here we cannot predict what is the beginning and what is the end. There is nothing is like that. Each row is starting with 1, ending with 5. Nothing is like this. In each row we are printing the same number again and again. So no starting, no end is here. So we have to think here how many times this loop should be repeated each time. Each time, how many times this loop should be repeated. So you can see each time, each row, how many values are here? 5 values are there. So each time the inner loop should be repeated 5 times. That's why I have written here from 1 to 5. Okay. So as I told, again I'm repeating you. Repeating inner loop is here to print the value of each row. So here there is nothing like what is the starting of what is the start. Each row is starting with 1, ending with 5. Nothing is like this. Nothing is like this here. So now in this case, in such cases, we think that inner loop should be repeated how many times. So you can see the inner loop should be repeated 5 times. Okay. So this loop I have repeated 5 times. Okay. First time the value of I will be 1. This condition will be true, contour will go inside the loop. And this loop will be repeated 5 times. So this loop is repeating 5 times. And what will it print? It will be repeated 5 times and it will print the value of I. Until this loop is repeating, until this inner loop is repeating, the value of I will remain 1. First time I am telling you, जब तक ये loop चलेगा तब तक I की value क्या रहेगी? 1 ही रहेगी. It will not be changed. And in inner loop, the value of I will remain unchanged. When this condition will be false, control will go outside this loop, and then from here, when it will go for I plus plus, then the value of I will be changed. I think the things are clear. I'm showing you. Let's see. I'm going with explain with going to trace it. See, I equal to 1. The value of I is what? 1. Condition true, control will go inside the loop. Now j equal to 1. Okay. This loop will be repeated 5 times. 5 times, and each time what will this loop print? This loop will print I. The value of I is what? 1. So this loop will print 1. Okay. The value of I is what? 1. So this loop will be repeated 5 times and it will print 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 times. Then when j will be 6, this condition will be false, contour will go outside the loop. Then system.out.println will change the line, cursor will move to the next line. Then from here, the value of I will increase. Now the value of I will be what? 2. What I want to say, in this inner loop, the value of I will not be changed. When control will go outside this loop, only then the value of I will be changed. So that we are using in this program. That using we are using as a logic in this program. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, the first time the value of I will be 1. First time the value of I will be what? 1. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. The value of j will start from 1 and will go up to 5. Means this loop will be repeated 5 times. And 5 times it will print the value of I only. I will remain 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 times will be printed. When the value of j will be 6, condition false, control loop से बाहर आएगा. It will reach here. Now system.out.println will change the line. Then from here it will go for I plus plus. Now the value of I will be what? 2. Control will go inside the loop. Again the value of j will start from 1. Again 1 to 5, 5 times, and what will be printed? The value of I will be printed. The value of I will remain 2. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and so on like this. Okay. So I have tried to explain in brief, and I think that you are getting this point. If it is not clear, see, please, I have uploaded the videos for the pattern. Already I have uploaded. Please go through that and watch that videos. I have explained the basic requirement, basic things, how to think, print the pattern. Everything I have explained there. Here also I have explained in the brief and how it is working. So please watch that video to make it more clear. And still any doubt, you can ask through comment section. Okay. Now coming to the next part of this question, means second function. What is the second function? Here second function is void print intent, this function. Now we are going to define this function. Void print int n. Here it is said, it is a number programming to check whether the number is a lead number. What is a lead number? Lead number is the one whose sum of even digits are equal to sum of odd digits. Sum of even digits are equal to sum of odd digits. For example, 3, 6, 6, 9. Here the even digits are what? Here even digits are 6 or 6. So sum of 6 and 6 will be what? 12. Odd digits are what? 3 and 9. So odd digits are 3 and 9. Their sum also 12. So it is a lead number. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to extract a digit. You know, the same logic will come again. I've already explained the basic logic, basic tool which are used in most of the programs of number programming. So that same technique we are going to use. We will extract a digit and we'll check whether it is an even number or an odd number. If it is an even number, we will add to one variable. If it is odd number, we will add to the another variable. By this way, we'll get the sum of even digits and odd digits. That I'm going to show you. See. Okay, sum of odd digits equal to sum of even digits, then that number will be called lead number. Okay. Now listen. Here I'm going to show you. Here we have taken two variables, one for sum of even numbers and sum of odd numbers. Two variables we have taken simply. Okay, so here's an example is what n equal to, what is example? 3669. Okay, this we are going to use 3669. Okay, so n equal to 3669. Sum even is here, sum even variable is here. We have taken initially it is 0, like that. Sum odd we have taken that also what initially 0. This condition is true, control will go inside the loop. Okay. Now d equal to n modulus 10, as I told already, when you modulo a number by 10, unit place digit is you'll get the unit place digit. So here the value of d will be what? 9. You'll get the first digit. Okay, I have explained these things thoroughly already in my previous videos. So please watch that videos. number programming. I have already uploaded one video for that. I will put the link of that video also here. So when we module a number by 10, we get the unit place digit. So here we got the first digit. Now we'll check whether that digit is an even or odd number. So here we are checking for the even number. If that number is even, here 9 is even or odd? The 9 is odd number. So this condition will be false. This condition will be false. So if this condition is false, control will move for the, if this condition is false, control will move for the else, and some odd. That digit D will be added to some odd variable. The value of some odd is what? 0, and D is what? 9. The 0 plus 9 will be 9 and will be stored into some odd itself. So the value of some odd will be what now? 9. Okay. Now n by 10. As I told, when you divide a number by 10, unit place digit is removed. Okay. So n is what? 3669 by 10 will be what? 366. That will be stored into n itself. The value of n will be what now? 366 only. Okay. Now here the value of n is what? 366. From here control will go back. Condition true again. Control will go inside the loop. Now n modulus 10. Now we'll get the next digit. The n is what? 366. Modulus 10 will be what? 6. We got this unit place digit now. 6. Here, now we'll check for the digit is an even number or an odd number. What are we doing? We are extracting a digit. We are checking whether it is an even number. If it is even number, we are adding to even, some even. If it is odd, we are adding to some odd. It's D. Okay. So this is the logic, simplest logic. Again, I'm going to move forward. D is what? 6. 6 modulus 2. 6 modulus 2 will be 0. It's even number, condition will be true. So some even. The value of some even is what? 0 this time. Plus D, that 6 will be added. So 0 plus 6 will be 6. That will be stored into some even. The value of some even will be what now? 6. Then again, this condition was true. So control will not go for the else. Now it will reach here. N equal to n by 10. The value of n will be divided by 10. So unit place digit will be removed. Now the value of n will be what? 36. And again from here the control will go back. From here control will come back to here. Now the n is what? 36. Okay. Now I will get the next digit. N is what? 36 modulus 10 will be what? 6. We'll get the unit place digit. 36 modulus 10 will be 6. Now D is what? 6. We got the next digit. And what is the value of some even? This time the value of some even is 6. So 6 plus 6 will be what? 12. And that will be stored into some even itself. So the value of some even will be what now? 12. Okay. Now it will go for n equal to n by 10. N by 10, the unit place digit will be removed now. Now the n will become 3. Okay. N will become what now? 3. Now see here. N is what? 3. Control यहाँ से वापस गया. Control go back from here. 3. 3 not equal to 0. Again condition true. So D n modulus 10. N modulus 10 means 3 modulus 10. 3 modulus 10 will be what? 3 modulus 10 will be what? 3. Okay. So now we got the last digit, that is 3 here. Now 3 modulus 2. Condition false. 3 is an odd number. So this condition will be false for it. So it will move for the else. Now some odd. What the value of some odd? It is already 9. 9 plus 3. D is what? 3. So 9 plus 3 will be what? 12. So 9 plus 3, 12 will be stored into some odd itself. So the value of some odd will be what? 12. Now n by 10. The value of n is 3. So 3 by 10 will be what? 0. That will be stored into n itself. So the value of n will be what? 0. Now coming back from here, coming back to here. The value of n is what? 0. This condition is false now. Control will go outside the loop. Okay. Now you can check whether sum of even digits and sum of odd digits are equal or not. Here you can see both are equal. So this condition will be true and you'll have the message of lead number. So if you remember, if you have watched that video of number programming, the same logic here also we are using. We are extracting a digit. We are after extracting, we are using that digit, whatever the use of that. Then we are dividing the number by 10 to remove that digit. डिजिट निकाल रहे हैं, उसका जो भी यूज करना है प्रोग्राम में यूज कर रहे हैं और 10 से डिवाइड करके उस डिजिट को हटा दे रहे हैं और ये तब तक कर रहे हैं. वी आर रिपीटिंग दिस प्रोसेस अंटिल दिस n will become 0. ये तब तक कर रहे हैं जब तक n की वैल्यू 0 ना हो जाए. This is the logic which we have implemented, we have used in most of the number programming. 10 number programmings I have already uploaded, in which we have used this same technique. So try to learn this technique. It is very useful technique. Okay. I will put the link of all that videos which I have told. Please watch that videos. The concept will be more clear for you. Okay. Then class closed. Here we have defined the second function. Here that second print function closed. This print function we have closed here. Close that here, and then class closed. So this is all about this function overloading question. 5 questions we have done. Question number 5 is done. Now question number 6. Okay. Define. This is a question of class. Define a class to accept a string and print the number of digits, number of alphabets, and number of special characters in the string. Example is given here. Number of digits is 2, 8, 3. Number of alphabets, you shall count number of alphabets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And number of special characters only one, that is at the rate. So we have to accept a string. We have to take input a string, and we'll check. We'll count the number of digits, number of alphabets, and number of special symbols. Okay. So this program I'm going to show you. So let's go with the solution of this program. Here we go with the solution. First of all, we have to take input. What we have to do? We have to take input. Okay. So here we are going to take input. See in this line. Here we are taking input string next line we have used. So I'm taking the same example which is given in the question. Kapil Dev at the rate 83. This I'm going to write here. And I will explain so with this same example. Kapil Dev. Okay. Kapil Dev at the rate 83. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the indexes. Okay. So consider this string we have taken as input. The value of str is this. This we have taken input. Now we are taking 3 variables. Since we are going to count number of digits, so we have taken a variable d for that. We are going to count the number of alphabets, so we have taken a variable alpha for that. And for a special symbol, sp variable we have taken. And all 3 we have initialized with 0. Okay, since we count something, we do this. Whenever we count something, we take a variable, and to that variable we initialize with 0. Okay, so that we have done. Now what we'll do, we'll start from index number 0. We'll start from index number 0, and we'll extract a character. One by one, we will extract a character, and we'll check it whether it is a digit, alphabet, or special symbol. If it is a digit, we will increase the value of d. If it is alphabet, we will increase the value of alpha, and if it is not digit, not an alphabet, then obviously it will be a special symbol. So in that case, we will increase the value of sp. So that we are going to do. So let's start. The value of I will start from 0, since index starts from 0, and will go up to length. Str dot length is what? The length of this string will be 10. Number of characters 10. If you count the number of characters, 10 characters are here. Not index, number of characters. So str dot length is what? 10. Condition true. Control go inside the loop. Now str dot char at 0 will have in variable c. So char at 0, what we have? Capital K. Okay. So we have extracted a character. Now we'll check whether it is a digit, alphabet, or a special symbol. So to check for a digit, we have a function of character wrapper class. That function is what? Is digit. Character dot is digit c. So this function will return true if this character is a digit, otherwise false. So here you can see the value of c is what? Capital K. So this condition will be false. These functions of character wrapper class I have already discussed in my video. I will upload the link of that video also in description. So this condition is false here. So control move for the else. Here now we are checking for the alphabet. To check whether a given character is an alphabet or not, we have a function isLetter. IsLetter function returns true if the character is alphabet, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so here you can see the value of C is what? Capital K, capital K. So this condition is true, this function will return true, so condition will be true. So the value of alpha plus plus means alpha which is 0 will increase by 1, it will become 1. Since we got the first alphabet, we have increased the value of alphabets. Then from the closing, it will go for I plus plus. Now I will be what? 1. Now this condition is true, control goes inside the loop. Now extracting the next character, char at I means char at 1. What we have at char at 1? We have capital A. The value of C will be what? Capital A. Again, this condition will be false. This condition will be true. So alpha plus plus. Now the value of alpha will increase. Now then I plus plus. I will be what? 3. Condition true. Control go inside the loop. Now we'll have the character char at 3. What we have char at 3? Sorry. It will be 2. Char at 2. What we have char at 2? P. So the value of C will be what? P. Okay. It's an alphabet. It's an alphabet. So this condition will be false. So control will go for else. And this condition will be true. For isLetter function will return true if the character is an alphabet. This time the value of C is what? Capital P. So condition is true. Then alpha plus plus. The value of alpha will be what? 3. Okay. Then I plus plus. Now the value of I will be 3. This condition is true. Okay, so many hospitals are here. Now I plus plus I will be 3, condition true. Length is 10, condition 2, control will go inside the loop. Now char at 3, what is that? I. Char at 3 is what? I will be stored into C. Okay, now character is digit? No, I is not a digit, condition false. IsLetter? Yes, condition true. So alpha plus plus alpha will be 4 now. So like this, so on, like this. Means it we are extracting character by character. We are going starting from 0 and going up to length. Okay, and we are extracting character by character. If it is a digit, this condition will be true. If it is a letter, alphabet, this condition will be true. So if the character is a digit, this condition will be true and the value of D will increase. Otherwise, if the character is an alphabet, the value of alpha will increase. This condition is true for the alphabets. Okay. And if it is not a digit, if it is not an alphabet, then obviously it will be a special symbol. So if it is not a digit or not alphabet, both condition will be false. So control will go for this. And in that case, SP, the value of SP will increase. That is, the number of special characters will be counted. So this is the logic. It's a very simple program. We are extracting a character and checking for whether it is digit, alphabet. And how to check for the digit, how to check for the alphabets, I have explained. And this function also I have already explained in my videos. IsDigit function will check the character for the digit. IsLetter function check the character for the alphabet. Okay, like that we have is white space function, is uppercase function, is lowercase function. That every functions I have explained in wrapper class videos. Okay, you can watch from there. So it is about this question, all about this question. And so please don't forget to write the variable description for each and every program. I will provide the notes PDF of this solution. I will put in the description. Link of this PDF I will put in the description. So there I will provide everything, means variable description also I will provide. You also please don't forget to write the variable description and few comments somewhere. Okay. So this is all about this program. Now coming to the next program. If any doubt, still any doubt in this program, you can ask. After coming outside the loop, after counting all the characters, required characters means digit, alphabet and special symbol. Coming outside the loop, we are printing a number of digits equal to D, number of alphabets equal to alpha, number of special characters equal to SP. So we have printed, we have counted and we have printed. Now the next question is, question number 7 you can read, and if you go through this is the question of linear search. As I already told, linear search, binary search, two programs of searching, and selection sort and bubble sort, these two programs of sorting. Either one out of these four, either one question will come in the examination. But here you can see in this question paper they had given both one program of searching, that is linear search is here, and one program of bubble sort they had given. So they have given 2 programs from that 4. So please prepare that 4 programs properly with concept. Okay. They may ask the same question of linear search and binary search in different ways. Okay. The different ways of searching and sorting program. I have already uploaded the video for this. So I will put the link of that also in this program. So please prepare that. In this video, I'm going to show the code only, and to learn in details the searching and sorting, please watch my videos which I have already uploaded. Here I'm going to show you the solution on that. Since here it is said to take the variables array of double type, you can see double value. It is said to accept a double value from the user and search in the array using linear search. Double type array, an array of double data type of size 20. So here we have taken the array of double type of size 20. Okay, and then in this part, this is array declaration. Now here we are taking input the elements of array. Okay, then we are taking a number from the user to search the number which user want to search, that we are taking input here. It should be of double type. Sorry, here I have written int. It should be of double type, and then here next double. So we are taking input. So in this line we have declared the array. In this part we are taking input. This is the way of taking input the elements of array, and now we are taking input that number, enter number to search the number which user want to search, that number that user will enter through keyboard, that will stored into n. Now this n we have to search into the array. Okay, so this is the logic of linear search which I have already explained. I will put this link of that video in the description. So please watch that video and you will get the thing. Solution is in front of you. Here only changes is what we have taken the array of double type and size is 20. Rest I have explained in that video. Please watch that video. If I will explain here, no, the video will be longer, too large. So better go and watch that video separately whenever you get time. Now I'm going to move into the last question, question number 8. This is also of array. Define a class to assert values in integer array of size 10. Again, we have to declare an array of size 10 and find the sum of 1-digit number and sum of 2-digit numbers. Means here the numbers which have only 1 digit and sum of 1-digit numbers means 2, 4, 9, 3, 1 is what? 19 here. Now sum of 2-digit number is what? 2-digit number means 12 here. It has how many number of digits? Here 2. The sum of 2-digit numbers. 32, 20. Okay. So here 12 plus 18 plus 25, 32, 20. We have to find the sum of both. Sum of 1-digit numbers, sum of 2-digit numbers. Okay. So that we are going to solve. See. So logic will be what? First of all, you will declare an array of size 10 of integer type. Integer array it is said. In this line, we are declaring the array. At least students, in case of array programming, at least you must learn how to declare an array, how to take input, and how to display the elements of array. This is the most basic thing, and if you know this much only, at least this much only, the 50% program of array you will be able to solve. How to declare an array, how to take input, and how to display the elements of array. Please remember that. Please try to learn at least this much in case of array if you are not strong in the programming logic. Okay, the videos I have already uploaded for all that. So please go through that, watch it. Okay, so in this line we have declared an array of size 10. Okay, then we are here in this part with the message enter 10 integers. In this part we are taking input. This is for array input. Okay, so we have declared an array. Consider we have declared an array of size 10 and we have taken input in that. Let me show you. Okay, we have declared an array and we are taking input. Consider the elements we have taken are, here I am taking 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 means size is 10, so 0 to 9. Okay. So consider the values, this array we have declared, and after declaring we are taking input. Okay. So consider we are taking input. This part is for the input. Okay. You'll have the message enter 10 integers, then you can enter 10 numbers from the keyboard. Consider we are entering 2, 5, 8, 7, 9, 12, 10, 11, 7, or 4, or any number, any number. Okay. So we have considered these numbers we have entered. Okay. Now the question is what? We have to find the sum of one digit, single digit numbers, and we have to find the sum of two digit numbers. Two digits numbers. Okay. So here I have taken only three such numbers. Okay, no problem. So first of all, we have taken a variable for to store the sum of single digit numbers, and another variable we have taken to store the sum of two digit numbers. Okay. So we are going to start from I equal to 0 and we'll go up to length. The length of this array is what? 10. Control will go inside the loop. The basic concept of array, declaration of array, taking input. This I have already explained in my video, one of the video. Please watch that video. Okay, and it's very important in case of array programming, if you know how to declare, how to take input and how to display the elements of array, 50% question you can solve. Okay, and this I'm repeating again and again so you can think how important is it. Okay, so here I equal to 0. Now what is the what logic I'm going to put here? If you divide a single number, single digit number by 10, it will become 0. 2 by 10, 0. Here I'm taking 5 by 10, 0. Or any single digit number, if you divide that number by 10, it will become 0. This rule I've already explained in my some videos. When you divide a smaller number by a greater number, the quotient will become 0 and the remainder will become the smaller one. This I have already explained. What is the calculation here? When you divide a smaller number by a greater number, the remaining quotient will be 0. This calculation will take place. So we are talking about quotient. So if you divide a single digit number by 10, it will become 0. And if you divide two digits number by 100, it will become 0. Am I clear to all? So this is the logic which I am going to put here. So let's see. We are going index by index and we are taking each and every value and then we'll solve this question. I'm going to trace complete question. Let's see carefully. We have taken two variables, one for sum 1 digits equal to 0, sum 1 digits equal to 0. Spelling is wrong here. Sum 1 digits. Okay. And here also sum 1 digits. Sorry for the mistake. I'm correcting it. Sum of digits. Here also sum of digits. Sum of digits. Okay. Now see, the value of I equal to 0, length is 10, condition true, control will go inside the loop, the value of sum two digits, two variables equal to 0. Now I equal to 0, condition 2, control will go inside the loop, AI means A0 by 10. A0 by 10 means 2 by 10 will be what? 0, this condition is true. So this number 2 will be added to sum 1 digits. Here also spelling mistake. You can think about this. I am correcting it again. Digits here too. Okay, so this condition is true. 2 by 10 will become 0 equal to 0 condition true. So this 2 will be added to sum 1 digits. Means now the value of sum 1 digits will be what? 2. Then I plus plus. I will be what now? 1. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now what is the next number? 1. At index number 1 what we have? A1. What is A1? I is 1, so A1. What is A1? A1 is 5. A1 is 5. So 5 by 10 will be what? 0. Again condition true. So this number will also be added to sum one digits. The value of sum one digits is already 2 plus AI means A1, that is 5. 2 plus 5 will be what? 7. So sum of digits will be 7. Then again I plus plus I will be what now? 2. The value of I will be 2. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now AI means A2. What is A2? A2 is 8. So A2 means 8. 8 by 10 will be 0. For all single digit number, this condition will be true. So that will be added to sum one digits. Okay, then I plus plus I will be 3. It added no 15 हो जाएगा ये. Then I plus plus I will be 3. A3. What is A3? A3 is what? 7. So again condition true. So this will be added to sum one digit. So 15 plus 7 will be what? 22. Okay, then I plus plus I will be 4. I plus plus I will be what now? 4. Again condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now A4. A4 is what? 9. Condition true. Again condition true. 9 by 10 will be what? 0. Condition true. So that will also be added to sum one digits. That is 22 plus 9 will be what? 31. Okay. Now the value of sum of digits is what? 31. 31. Okay. Now I plus plus I will be 5. Listen carefully. I will be what now? 5. Now I is what? 5. Okay. 5, you can see it is 12. So 12 by 10 will be what? 1. If you divide a number by 10, you know unit place digit is removed. So 12 by 10 will be what? 1 only. So this condition is false. For two digit number, this condition will be false. Now control will come to here. Now 12 by 100 will be 0. Again, by smaller number by a greater number, the question will be what? 0. Now this condition is true. So now this 12, this AI will be added to sum two digits. Sum two digits is what this time? 0. Now it will become 12. Okay. Now I plus plus I will be 6. Again condition true. I will be what now? 6. Condition true. Condition 2, control will go inside the loop. This condition is true. Control will go inside the loop. Now AI means A6. A6. A6 is 10. 10 by 10 will be what? 1. Condition false. Control, then it will go for else. Now 10 by 100 will be 0. Smaller number by a greater number. 10 by 100 की value 0 होगी. Condition true. Condition true. So that this 10 means AI will be added to sum two digits. So sum two digits is already what? 12. 12 plus 10 will be what? 22. And so on like this. Okay, so on like this. I'm not the same thing repeating again and again. So it will become boring for you. So I think you're getting the point. If the number is of single digit, this condition will be true. And if the number is of two digits, this condition will be true. So if this condition is true, that number, single digit number will be added to sum one digits. And if this condition is true, it means that that number is of two digits. So that will be added to sum two digits. And so on like this. Sum of all one digit numbers will be stored into this, and sum of all two digits number will be stored into this variable. So coming outside the loop, we are printing the value of both separately. It is given the question to display them separately. So this is all about this question. Okay. And again, I'm telling you, don't forget to write the variable description for this. So here I have finished this question paper of 2023. Okay. Now, so I have finished this paper, question paper. I have solved, I have given complete solution of question paper question paper of 2023 ICSE class 10th board examination. And I have explained everything thoroughly, and I will provide the notes, I will provide the PDF of that solution in description. I will provide the link. Please download it and go through that. And if you still any doubt, you can ask through the comment section. So thank you for watching this video, and I will try to make the video for specimen. provided by council, ICSE board. They have provided the specimen paper for the year 2024 examination. So I will try to upload the video for that specimen paper also soon as possible. Okay. So thank you for watching this video till end. Now, bye. All the best.